Hi traders, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit into your XM account using a debit card, a credit card or cryptocurrency. Let's walk through it together. Once you've logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen. Just between your profile icon and notifications icon, select the funding icon. Go ahead and select deposit. And from here, you'll see all the available deposit options. You can choose credit, debit card, or even crypto, depending on your preferences. If you're depositing by card, enter the deposit amount you'd like to fund your account with, select deposit, confirm it, and you'll be taken to a different screen where you can fill in your card details. Once you've filled in your details, click Pay. After a short moment, you'll receive a message confirming your deposit request was successful. If you're depositing with crypto, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to use and enter the deposit amount. Tick the checkbox to confirm and accept the terms and conditions. Select Deposit. At this stage, a pop-up will appear with the requirements for depositing with crypto. Please read these carefully and make sure your transfer is processed successfully. Select Confirm. And that's it, you've now funded your XM account with either card or crypto. For more tutorials on other funding methods or to explore how to trade with XM, be sure to check out our other videos. See you next time.